Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer if you're new here, and in today's video I'm going to be making some samples, and this is actually where I keep all my samples. So I'm going to make this one and this one. So I actually had somebody ask me, where do you keep all your samples? I actually bought this off of Amazon and I stuck it on my wall just to put samples up. So this is where I keep them. So we're going to be making those two patches today, so let's just jump right in. Okay, so I'm going to take these off, and I'm going to clip all of the threads and put free check around the edges, and we should be good to go. Okay, so we have our patches that are done. I just got to fix the camera here. Yeah, I'm in my bedroom because that's where it's the only place I can keep all my crafting stuff without kids getting into it. So we're going to take this out of the hoop, and then we're going to cut these out. Okay, hopefully you guys can see this pretty well. I don't know if you can tell, but I used yellow for the top and kind of a brass gold for the bottom one. I wanted to change it up to see what I liked better, and I don't know, I kind of like both. But yeah, so I think the gold and the silver went better with the helmet than with this one. So I figured keep this one on the simpler side because it has more stitches. So all right, this is one reason why I love fray check, because if you let it dry, I believe it says 20 minutes, but I like to let it dry for longer than that just to make sure it's super, super dry. So I can just easily trim around the edge here. And I have accidentally trimmed stitches along the edge because the fray check wasn't quite dry enough. So I just make sure I put tons of fray check on there. Don't go crazy, but enough to make sure that I know that it's going to be nice and stiff, so that when I cut it out, I won't cut any threads. So there's the back of it. I'm going to keep it this way because this is a sample. So now we're going to cut this one out. So I got these patterns off of Etsy, and I can link those down below if you want. I did change some colors around, and I added a border around it to make patches. I probably could use these for shirts in the future. These would make really cute shirts for little boys. Super, super cute. But I wanted to try them out with patches, see if I liked them, and I do. I like the way they turned out. So these items are available in my shop. I will link those down in the description box below. Make sure you check those out. If you like these kinds of videos, give me a thumbs up. That really will help me a lot. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel. It's totally free if you want to see more of these awesome tutorials. I do have wonderful tutorials set up for the next coming weeks, so check those out. And make sure you have your notifications turned on, and so you don't miss any of my new uploads. So awesome. So this looks great. These look great. I'm so excited to put these on my shop. Fabulous. I'll just clean up that stuff later. So all right, that's it for today's video. I will see you guys next time.